Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your wireless printer appears unresponsive on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. In this tutorial, we'll apply for a number of popular manufacturers or printers like Dell, HP, Xerox, Canon, and Epson printers. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then next step ay kailangan mo nang i-type dito yung services. And then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung print spoiler. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. Okay? And then ang next step, and then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito yung print spoiler. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then lalabas itong kanyang properties. So ang next step dito. So dito lang sa general and then dito lang sa startup type. So kailangan mo lang select tong arrow na to. And then select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then next step dito lang sa running ay click mo lang tong stop. And then wait natin. And then dito naman sa kanyang service status. And then click mo lang tong start. And then wait ulit natin. And then next step ay click mo lang tong apply and then click mo lang tong okay. And the next solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung //DNS ay one word po yan, and then press mo lang mo enter. And then makikita mo dito na successfully flash the DNS resolver caching. So ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung NAS NETSH space WNSUC space reset. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na NETSH space WNSUC space reset and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na successfully reset the WNSUC catalog. You must restart the computer. Okay, and then close lang natin dito. And the next solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then click mo lang itong open. And then dito sa troubleshoot settings, ang next step dito lang sa options. Under nito ay select mo lang dito yung other troubleshooters. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung printer. And then dito sa right side, click mo lang to run. And then wait natin na ma-direct tayo dito sa help and support. Okay, so makita mo dito na help and support. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin itong i-follow kung anong mga details and instructions na pwede natin gawin para maayos yung problem. So for example, do we have your consent to proceed with diagnostic and try automated steps to fix the problem, and then click mo lang tong yes. And other details naman na dito lang sa mga kaibigan, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. Ito siya. And then i-follow lang. Alright, in the next step, so close lang natin dito. And then dito lang sa start menu. And kailangan lang natin itong mag-restart. Yan, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix wireless printer unresponsive in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.